What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Leizel. So for today's video, I am once again partnering up with Fashion Nova to bring you guys this clothing haul. And for this haul, I wanted to focus mainly on those fall transitional type of pieces. So the type of clothing that you want to wear when it's transitioning from cold to warm weather. Down here in Australia, we have been in winter for the past few months, and now the weather is starting to warm up a little bit. However, I know those of you guys who are up in the northern hemisphere are currently in summer transitioning to fall. So when picking all of these pieces, that's pretty much what I had in mind. Just items that would be good for whether it's like a little bit warm out or a little bit cool out. Just those like in between seasons kind of outfits. So if you guys want to see what I chose, keep on watching. If you do enjoy these types of videos, don't forget to give this one a thumbs up, like it before you leave it, and if you're new, you know what to do. Join the crew by hitting the little red subscribe button down below and click the bell as well so you don't miss any more videos that I post. And with that being said, let's get into it. So for this haul, I did pick up a few sets. Now I love sets because it means you don't really have to think too much when it comes to putting together an outfit. Everything is already put together for you. You just have to put it on and it looks good as it is. So of course, the first one that I'm going to talk about is the one that I am currently wearing. Now this is called the Mel Knit Short Set, and I love this set, you guys. It's so cozy. As you can see, of course, it is that knitted material, but it's not super thick. Like, it is a fairly loose and lightweight knit, which is why I like it. Also, of course, you guys already know the color. I'm all about the nudes, the neutrals. Those of you guys who watch me regularly know that I always talk about that. I do love my neutral tones, and this is exactly that. So for reference, I did pick mine up in a size extra small, and I still love the way that it fits me because it's nice and oversized and loose, but the shorts aren't too loose to the point where they're falling down. Like, they sit on me really nicely and they feel really comfortable, and I do love how oversized the top is as well. I feel like this is one of those sets that would initially be considered as like an at-home loungewear set that you'd only really wear at home, but as you can see in the try-on portion, I threw it on with some sneakers, and I would totally wear this out to like run errands, go out and do grocery shopping. I feel like this is definitely one of those ones that you can just throw on and be out the door with. So yeah, as you guys can tell, I definitely love this set. It's very comfy and cozy and definitely my type of color palette. Next up, I have another set to show you guys, and once again, this is within the same color palette. So we have the Sunday Blessings biker short matching set. Now, as I said, it is a set, but it's a three-piece set. I believe this set does come in different colors. So this one in particular is called Mocha. So we've got the little cropped singlet, and then it does come with the bike shorts, of course, and then it also comes with this super cute long length like cardigan. It's super long, as you guys will see in the try-on portion. It comes down fairly long on me. But yeah, once again, sets. I love sets because they're really easy to put together. You put them on, you don't have to think too much about it, and you've got a whole outfit right there. And this one is perfect in terms of being a transitional outfit because you can just take off the cardigan and you've got a cute outfit already with the cropped top and the biker shorts. As you guys can see, I did once again pair this up with some white sneakers because I do picture this as being one of those outfits that you can just throw on when you're going out to run errands, hang out with friends, that kind of thing. But you could totally dress this up with a pair of heels. I just really like the chill, easy, laid back approach with the sneakers. Once again, I did pick this set up in a size extra small, and the thing is as well, I should probably mention, of course, you can totally take the cardigan and throw it on with any other outfit, but just the fact that it comes as a set and you can use each set, like each piece separately, I think that's really awesome as well. So that's my recommendation, is to totally go for sets because you can do so many different combinations with each piece from that set, but you can put it together as a whole outfit, which is why I'm all about sets lately. I have another set to show you guys, but I promise you it's the last one for this haul. So we have here the But First Chill biker short lounge set. First of all, I don't know how to describe the finish of this fabric. It's not acid wash, but it's like, you know, that kind of faded vintage type of look to it, which I really am into. So as I said, it is a set. So we've got like the biker shorts, as you can see, and then it comes with a top as well, but this is like an oversized t-shirt, which I would totally take this and wear it with like a pair of jeans as well. I love, like, as I said, that like vintage type of faded finish to it that it's got going on. Now this is labeled as being a loungewear set, but as you guys can see in my try on portion, I did throw on some white sneakers with this, and I would totally again wear this out to go run errands, go out for the day. I feel like it's one of those quick and easy outfits that you can put on, but it looks put together because once again it is a set. So I really do like it. For reference, I did get mine in a size extra small. The bike shorts are perfect. They fit me nice and snug and tight, hug me in all the right places, and then the top of course is oversized, so it's not tight on me. Even though I did get a size extra small, it still fits really nicely. It gives me a nice oversized look. It has a little bit of a drop shoulder going on, so that's really going to, you know, contribute to it looking oversized, and the sleeves are slightly wider as well. So yeah, once again, another set that I think looks really cool, and it's really trendy at the moment, and I just really like the finish of it. I feel like this paired up with my gold accessories at the moment looks really cool as well. Really chill, easy to wear. Once again, as I said, one of those sets that you can just throw on and be out the door with and still look really nice and put together. Enough with the sets, I have a sweater to show you guys. So this is the Cozy Sunday sweater. Now, as you can see, it is a knitted sweater, but what I loved about this is the fact that it's got that kind of sporty vibe to it with the like zip up collar right here. I feel like, I don't know, you don't usually see sweaters that are knitted with this type of collar to it. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I've never really seen one like that. So that's kind of what drew me towards it. I feel like it gives that kind of, you know, cozy, warm vibe, but it's a little bit athleisurely as well. So this one is in the color Ivory, and once again I did pick this up in a size extra small, but as you guys can see in the try on portion, it is quite oversized on me still, especially with the sleeves. They are very long. I do like having long sleeves though, because I feel like it's, I don't know, I'm able to like cozy up with them, if that makes sense. You guys know what I mean when you kind of just like hug yourself with your long sleeves. I feel like because the sleeves are a little bit longer, you can do that, but you can of course roll them up however you feel. But as you guys can see, I did pair this up with those bike shorts, and I think it looks really cute. I mean, you could pair this up with jeans, with any other type of shorts, but I just threw them on with the bike shorts because that's what I already had on, and I thought it still looked cute because of the fact that it has this zip at the front. I don't know, I have like other sweaters and stuff that have this kind of zip, and they've always been like for gym, working out, athleisure type of wear. So yeah, I love the knit detailing on it. It's not too much, like it's got a little bit of that cable knit effect to it, but not all over, which I like as well. And if you guys could feel this, it is so soft, so snuggly, so cozy. Like it feels like a blanket. It's nice and cozy, but it's not too heavy. So once again, it would be great as a transitional piece when it's a little bit chilly out, but it's not too cold. I feel like this would be the perfect piece to wear. All right, you guys, this next piece right here, I had a little bit of difficulty with this purely for the fact that it was hard for me to put it on. Don't get me wrong, I love this piece. I think it is gorgeous, it's beautiful, but when you're by yourself, anything that requires like somebody to do up the back for you, as you guys will see, it's got a corset back. It's really hard. So this is the Liv puff sleeve top. Those of you guys who have watched any of my other hauls know I'm all about the puffy sleeves at the moment. It's been a minute now and I'm still into them. So I don't know, something about them is just super cute. So this is particularly from the Nova Vintage range at Fashion Nova. If you guys haven't checked out their Nova Vintage range, you need to check it out because all of the pieces in there are totally my style. But yeah, as I was saying, this top, so cute. I love it. It's adorable. You guys know that I like cute sleeves. I love crop tops, and I love the back detailing as well, like that corset type of look to it. However, it was so difficult for me to get on and like tie up because I was like, what? How is this, like, how do I put this on? Like, I needed someone back there to help me. I got it in the end, but it was just a little bit difficult at first because I couldn't figure it out. But my advice is to like loosen everything up, put it on front ways, and then like tighten everything up, and then kind of give yourself enough room so you can spin it around and then further tighten it and then tie it nice and cute at the bottom. Because yeah, it was kind of difficult like putting this on by myself, not gonna lie. I don't have anyone here to help me with that, so that was interesting. But aside from that, this top is so adorable. I love it. And as you guys can see in the try on portion, I did put this on with a pair of jeans, which are actually from Fashion Nova as well. They're just from a previous haul. For reference, I did pick this up in a size small and it fits me perfectly. I love the way it hugs, plus also the fact that, you know, you can tighten and loosen it up because of the fact that the back is like a corset type of look to it. So yeah, that's all I have to say about this top. Super cute, a little bit difficult to get on, but I think it's worth it because it's really cute. Next up, I have a cardigan to show you guys. So this is the Girls Need Love 2 cardigan, and I feel like this style at the moment, like this cardigan style with like the big buttons and it's a little bit cropped, has definitely been around a lot lately. Like I've been seeing a lot of it in stores over here. So as you guys can see, this is in the color cream, and I did pick this up in a size small, but it does have that nice loose fit to it, which I do like. Now of course this is a cardigan, you could totally wear it as that on top of anything else. However, I feel like with the cute button detailing down the front, I'd kind of just wear it like as a top on its own without having to undo the buttons, because I feel like the buttons really contribute to the whole look of it. I love like that kind of tortoise effect that it's got to them. So yeah, as you guys can see, I did pair this up with those jeans, and I just love the really chill, easy vibe that it gives. I'm wearing it with heels, but you could throw on some sneakers with it and that would be totally cute as well. And I feel like this is one of those tops that you can just throw on with anything. Like you could wear it with denim shorts, any other type of shorts, whatever it be. But again, I feel like this is a good transitional piece because it is a long sleeve cardigan. It's not too thick and heavy though, it's really lightweight and it's nice and soft as well. I also do like the ribbed detailing that it does have to the fabric as well, and like this little hemline that it's got going around here too. I think that's really cute as well. So yeah, I feel like this is one of those pieces that's really versatile. You can wear it with anything, and as I said, I feel like it's perfect for spring or fall, depending on whether it's cooler or warmer. You could wear it in any type of weather. So this next clothing item that I have to show you guys might be a little bit random because it isn't necessarily my style, but I've been seeing so much of these lately that I wanted to pick one up and kind of see how it incorporated into some type of outfit. So this is the Unfinished Business Pinstripe blazer. Now the thing is about this blazer is it's not a full length one, which as I said, I've been seeing a lot of that lately, like the cropped blazer type of look, which I wouldn't necessarily think that that would be something that I'd be into, but I had this idea in mind for how I would wear this, and that's why I put it together in this outfit. So I put this on with a pair of jeans, like loose, as you guys can see in the try on portion, loose jeans. And I mean, you could totally freeball it and go with nothing underneath the top, but I'm not that brave. So I had to throw on like a lingerie bralette type of set with it. And I feel like it gives that like different kind of vibe. For sizing reference, I did pick this one up in a size extra small. And as you guys can see, it is still nice and oversized on me. It's not super tight and fitted. It's got that loose kind of vibe to it, which I do like. And of course you could wear it like unbuttoned, but I just thought it looked cute buttoned up because it is still quite loose in the front. So yeah, I don't know, something about it when I saw this, I knew I just had to try it, kind of see how it would look. And I feel like this is the type of outfit that I would wear like on a night out, like if you're going out for drinks and you kind of want to dress it up a little bit. I feel like this is the kind of outfit that you could wear. Totally different for me, not something that I'll particularly go for, but I do like how it looked. So yeah, the crop blazer, it's an interesting concept. I've never tried it before, as I said, but I did like how it looked. It's like a different kind of vibe to it. So I do have a couple of accessories to show you guys to finish off this haul. Now the first one are these pair of glasses, which I don't usually go for glasses purely for the fact that I always find, since I have an oily skin type, if you guys watch me regularly then you know this, I have an oily skin type, so I find when I wear glasses they rub off on where they sit, like on the bridge of my nose, like it rubs the makeup off is what I'm trying to say. So I don't particularly go for glasses. However, when I saw these glasses I was like, man, I want to try those. So these are the over the edge cat eye sunglasses, and when I first opened these up I was like, man, these ain't gonna fit me because they are really tiny, and you guys know I have big eyes, like I got big eyes, and I have lashes too, so they always hit anything. Even if I'm wearing regular glasses, they're always hitting the lens. But I feel like these are those kind of glasses that you kind of want to wear like, you know, a little bit loose. They may not necessarily be to like protect your eyes from the sun, which I know is what sunglasses are for, but these are more so as essentially a fashion accessory, which I thought they looked really cute, especially with my gold jewelry. I mean, I don't know what particularly attracted me to them, but I've been seeing a lot of this style lately, and I know you can get like the bigger lensed cat eye sunglasses, but something about these ones gives me like real 90s vibes, you know. I don't know, I had to try them. I like thought I didn't like them at first, but I actually do like them. Like I think they look cute, and as I said, I don't think they're particularly for like sun protection, because I mean, I'm not trying to wear them like this. I feel like that looks kind of crazy on me, right? Plus my lashes are like hitting the lens like crazy, ouch. But I do think these are cute as an accessory piece. Last but not least, I have a handbag to show you guys, and this one in particular is one that is very on trend at the moment, and once again a style that I've been seeing a lot of lately. So this is the always on the go handbag, and as you can see, it's that real cutesy, like tight under your arm kind of handbag, which let me tell you guys, I used to have one of these like when I was a kid. I remember my mom bought me one, and I thought I was the coolest kid with my cute little black handbag, walking around the mall like I was like a grown woman, because I had a little handbag and I kept like coins and lip gloss and just other random pieces of paper inside. I thought I was the coolest thing ever. But this goes to show that fashion really does come full circle, because I felt like this style of bag was really big like in the 90s, like those cute little tiny clutch bags, you know what I mean? I feel like that style was really big in the 90s, and then here we are in 2020 and they're back again. So I had to pick one up, pair it up with this outfit. I thought it was really cute. As I said, this is a style that I've been seeing a lot of lately, and even for being like a tiny bag, I feel like I could fit everything I need to in here. Like, it's pretty roomy inside. We got some little pockets, like some zipped pockets as well. I mean, all I really carry in my bag these days is like my lipstick, lip gloss, keys, and phone. That's all I really need. So this bag will cover it all, and yeah, I think it's really cute, simple. The black, like somewhat tumbled, pebbled leather or faux leather effect is really simple, goes with a lot of things as well. So yeah, as I said, this is a style that I've been seeing a lot of lately, and I had to pick one up for myself. So there we have you guys, that is everything for this haul. I want you to comment down below and let me know which piece or which outfit you guys liked the best. Once again, shout out to Fashion Nova for partnering up with me on this one. As always, I'm going to leave links to every piece that I spoke about down in the description box below. And as always, I hope you guys are having an awesome day or night wherever you are in the world. I hope you're staying safe, looking after yourselves, and looking out for each other. I will talk to you in the comments, and I'll see you all in my next video.